Back to the channel where we're talking all things Phonesites. So Phonesites is a new funnel building landing page builder that they have out in the market with a great AI in the background. So you can use AI to write up the copy, to give you ideas about topics and themes of whatever you need that's going to help you along the way in your journey to make more money. And this is how we're going to make money with Phonesites. So Phonesites is a powerful tool for building websites, landing pages, and sales funnels. If you guys are into building up these funnels or these landing pages that you may need to drive in these traffics from these lead gens, Phonesites is an absolute must-have for you guys to use in your arsenal. I use it myself, and along with it's a great alternative to ClickFunnels, Builderall, System.io, or any one of the numerous funnel builders that are out there. The great thing about Phonesites that I love is that it also has a built-in email automation. So you don't need no external, you don't need MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or anything outside for you to integrate it. It already has it integrated within it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, real quick. This is a document I put together of how we're going to make money with it, because it's great for me to do a review and tell you about it, but you also want to know how you can make that bread with it, right? So let's get this bag. So let me show you what Phonesites looks like real quick. So this is the homepage to Phonesites. It's fantastic. It tells you exactly what it does, and it does exactly what it says. There's no extra to it. There's no guesswork. Turn more visitors into customers. Easily build landing pages, surveys, pop-ups, and digital business cards in 10 minutes. If you are a service-based business and you need a digital business card, this is another great way for you to build up a digital business card that you can email out to your customers and clients and whoever else who may need to know or get familiar with the services that you provide. Again, this is a fantastic platform. Look at some of the services and features that it has down here. Like I had mentioned, email automation. It's just powerful because you already know that the money's in the list. So if you're able to create these lead gens, get this traffic, build up your email list. And if they say the average email is $1, so let's say you build it up to 10,000 email lists, and you're able to, sell to each one of these people in the list, your conversion, you can potentially make $10,000 just off your email list. Not even anything else that you may be selling. So this does fantastic. Also, if you are e-com and you want to build a one product store, you can easily throw it up real quick and build something really fast. Like this is definitely the funnel building game has definitely changed, and it's been up by platform. I've been in the game for a while, and I've seen a lot of old funnel buildings from even when you had to do the website and upload to FTP. That's how far back I've gone in this game. So to see this and the abilities that this has, I think is fantastic. So I'm gonna dive into the dashboard. So once you log in, this is what it looks like in the dashboard. See, I've been playing with it, and I'm just getting an idea of what it's all about. Again, it shows you, how many people are checking out your landing pages. Shows you how many leads. I haven't gotten much myself, but I'm still, learning it and utilizing these powerful tools that it has. It shows you just how many views you have. It also has a little, not a little, but it has a huge community of information and a community over here, a Facebook community that's pretty large, and a lot of people who are able to, help you out along the way if you need to ask any questions or get familiar with certain things that you may, encounter or any problems. It also has a fantastic affiliate, it also has a fantastic affiliate platform and offer. So if you wanted to become an affiliate and earn 40% commission, that's fantastic. And remember, this is recurring, because once somebody signs up, they're going to be paying this on a monthly basis. So this is reoccurring money that's coming in. That's another way that you could potentially make money utilizing this, So one way, build websites and landing pages for clients. Do you have clients? Are you an agency? Do you service plumbers? Do you service, dentists, dental offices? You can sell these. You can create these professional looking websites and start in landing pages and start growing, their traffic and growing the email list and make money from that. That's how powerful this is. Let's dive in and see what some of these templates look like, because it's pretty awesome. They have over 500 templates that you can choose from, and a multitude of industries. that you can use and drive traffic to. I personally think that it's a fantastic way for you to make some extra money, for a fantastic way for you to make a solid income. Either it can be a side hustle or your main hustle. Again, look at all the industries that it has. It has automotive, has beauty and health, has coaching, courses, conferences, construction, consulting, charities. If you wanted to build a landing page for a charity and sell that, you can do that. Has energy, solar, has events, finances. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. You can dive into this once you sign up and check it out for yourself. They have insurance, lawyers. I mean, again, it's a multitude of ways that you can make money with this. And look at some of the landing pages. Like, these look really good. You can customize it to your liking, to fit exactly whatever the industry or whatever the services that you're selling, and you can start selling that service, as well as, again, building that email list. It has an email automation, collect those leads. Look at these landing pages. I think they're phenomenal. Drones. You have a drone for sale? Here. This is an e-com store right here. Buy a drone. You can create a one product store with ease when you jump into this. So there's a number of ways that you can make money utilizing phone sites. So here's number 2. Create your own landing page and sales funnels. So if you have a product, just like I mentioned, or a service, if you wanted to sell e-com, or if you're a service-based business, or you're a plumber, they had construction there, right? If you wanted to create something of that nature, you can sell that. You can create that. Phone sites will create landing pages and sell funnels that help you convert leads into customers. By optimizing your page for conversion, you can increase your revenue and profitability easy and scale your business. It's endless. And it's really easy. Let's just dive in. Let me just show you real quick. Let me click on one of them. Let's see how long it takes, because sometimes computers, they work when they want to work, and when you need them to work, it gets really annoying. But anyway, so here's one of the templates, and here's a photography one. So let's say I'm a photographer and I'm selling my services as a photographer. It shows you exactly all of the things that you need to build. It's a 3-page builder. You have your home page, which is the one that we're looking at right now. You have your privacy policy already set up. All you need to do is customize it to your liking. And you have your thank you page. I mean, how simple and easy is that? And once you finish all that, you click install now, and you're done, and you're up and running. It's going to be on their sub domain, but if you wanted to customize it to your own personal domain, you can also do that too. This is how easy and simple it is for you to get up and running to create these things. Everything with ease. Change the image, change the information. Click here and click now button. You can say get services, learn more. Let's get in contact. The list goes on and on and on. You can honestly customize this however you like it to be, and service your industry and your audience the way that you would like to service them. And it even gives you an option to set up your payment plans and your payment structure. You can input Stripe, you can put in PayPal, you can put a PayPal button in here, you can put any other payment buttons that you have for you to get paid, basically. And also collect email addresses. Again, one of the most powerful ways to do that. And it goes, you don't need an outside service. Like, it's pretty dope. I think it's fantastic, to be honest, man. Especially if you just now diving into the game and you don't need all this other overhead. I mean, yeah, there are a lot of other services and there are a lot of other platforms, but sometimes, from speaking for myself, when I wanted to get into the game, it was, I wanted fast execution. Fast execution equals, fast results. So that's what you were looking for, And here's another one, like I mentioned, become an affiliate. Sign up to the affiliate program. Start promoting it yourself. Become an affiliate. Build a funnel or landing page as an affiliate. Have the link in the buttons that we just saw ourselves, and make money from there. Partner church bells in the back. That's how simple it is. That's how simple and easy this is for you to make money and for you to build these templates. Like phone sites, I think is fantastic. They're new to the game, but they give you the ability to, again, create these fast templates. Put them out there, and get traffic as fast as possible. And these templates are fantastic. Like, they're so clean. The topography is clean. It's readable. You don't have to, they have a number of them that you can go through and check out and create on your own. And you're in the fitness industry, hey, let's create a fitness one. Are we in ebooks? Are we an author? Let's create an ebook. Look how easy and beautiful some of these templates are. So again, I think it's an awesome way for you to make money, an awesome way for you to build these sales funnels, build webinar funnels, long opt-in funnels, landing page, digital business cards. Let's just click on that so you guys can see what that's all about. Now, you could put some of these digital business cards in your LinkedIn if you have a LinkedIn profile. It just gives you another scalability method that, that shows how much of your expertise and how professional you are out there for you to have this. You can have this on your TikTok. You can have this on your Instagram Reels. Like, there's a number of places where you can put this and be able to make money with it. So let's just dive back into this document. So like I mentioned, become a Phonesites affiliate. Sign up to their program. Make 40% commission off of each sale. And this is reoccurring. Man, I think I said it right. This is recurring. So as people stay, the longer they stay on the platform, the longer you're going to make money month over month. You don't have to worry about, running out there to try to make another sale. I mean, yes, of course you want to continue to grow your business, but once you have people or customers in your pipeline, so to speak, they're going to be paying. And especially if they love it and you show them a way to make money with it, like, why not? Here's another one. Offer consulting services. If you're experienced with this and you get really good at it, why not offer your services? Why not get paid for your knowledge? Knowledge is power. So why not get paid for it? I mean, yeah, you can also, give things out for free like I'm doing right now, showing you guys four fantastic ways for you to make money with it. But you can also, there are consultants out there, and there are consultant services that you can, provide services for people who need your service and make money from it. So again, here's 4 fantastic ways for you to make money with Phonesites. I think Phonesites is a phenomenal platform. The link is going to be down in the bio. You guys, full disclaimer, I am an affiliate, so I will be making a little bit of money off of it, and I do appreciate each and every one of you who sign up. Also, I have a full review on the Busy Berg if you want to go through and read exactly, the full breakdown of everything. But I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys how to make money with Phonesites. Build a website, create your own landing page, become an affiliate, offer consulting services. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys get to the bag, because I hope to get to the bag with you. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next review. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.